Hello and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? For today's video, we're going to be looking at Bratz Babyz. So this is my original, I mean you could obviously tell from the title we're going to be talking about the fashion packs. But I recently got this like OG Bratz Babyz Jade, and I have been absolutely obsessed with her. I love her so much. She's so cute to me. My partner hates her, thinks she looks like a cockroach, but like obviously I think otherwise. So I'm really excited about today's video. So with this particular doll, I bought her off of Facebook Marketplace for like, I think we did $20. Obviously you could tell from here she is in absolutely perfect condition. She has like everything that she originally came with. You can tell that it's original one because we have the little ball chain, we have the original baby bag that she comes with, and she actually came with a fashion pack. I think it was the Rock Angels one. I'm really excited about it. It's this little red top that says Rebel. So we have this little shirt that says Rebel, which is super cute. And then we have this pair of sparkly denim jeans, which actually used to have a belt, but it's been so old that like it turned into powder. So literally it just like kind of like fell off. And she had this little baby bag as well. So obviously, oh, and shoes. She's got shoes so she could like go out with me, you know? So stinking adorable. And like ever since I got her, like I've been thinking like I kind of want that fashion pack, the one with the onesie, so I had to get it. And obviously it had Jade on it too. I'm so excited about this one, and I really want a big Babyz Jade so I could put this fashion pack on it too, but it didn't stop there. As I was researching for this one, I found this as well. I knew in my heart it's a, like holy grail. I will never be able to get one of those Bratz princess dolls. I mean, at least unless they reproduce them. So I got the fashion pack because I was like, if I can't get a full Bratz princess doll, at least I can put my baby in the princess outfit, and that is enough for me at this point. Oop. At this point, it was more than enough for me. Look how stinking cute that is, and look at how like they package them. So cute. Obviously, I'm really excited that we're getting the Bratz Babyz reproduced, so they're easily accessible. I obviously just chose to get this one secondhand because it was going to be cheaper, and it was cheaper with the second fashion pack as well. So today, for this video, we are going to be doing a little try-on haul for our Bratz Babyz Jade. She's so stinking cute. The only thing with her is that her head is kind of tilting to one side, but like it's the least of my worries. I'm just super ecstatic to have her at all. Should we like get right into this? I'm really excited about this. I should be doing my homework right now, but I want to try these on so bad. But yeah, we have two fashion packs we're gonna try on. This one is just Bratz Babyz, and this one is just the princess fashion pack. So cute, and I'm just like so excited to try them on. I got them both off of eBay. I think they're about like $30 each, honestly, when I bought them, so check that out. Let's go ahead and try these fashion packs on because I'm so excited about it. Okay, so I feel like we should start off with the, like, not normal, but like the basic fashion pack. Like this is the one that was shown in a commercial, so I guess this is the more mainstream one. We're gonna start with this one. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks the same for both, but I'm just gonna go over it again. It's kind of like a trapezoid shape, kind of turned on its side to show a lot more in one perspective. A lot of people are going to kill me for taking this apart, but I want my baby to actually use this. But yeah, it has like the usual stuff. Bratz Babyz fashion pack, the warning stuff, the baby girls with the passion for fashion, of course. And here's an example of your Bratz Babyz Jade wearing the outfit. Unfortunately, you don't get a new set of hair pieces, which is like kind of understandable, like whatever. I feel like at the beginning they shouldn't have even had those molded on. Like that would have been like such a good opportunity for like little like hair ties you could put on your dolls, but I digress. Love the little safety pin handle that is so original Bratz, and connected to it is this little catalog type of sheet situation. You have the 4 main Bratz Babyz on the front, that on the back it says more memory books on the way. Are on the way, yes. And on the inside you have like just like these little thingy things. Before we were Bratz Babyz, and then that's what Chloe looks like. Jade, Sasha, and Yasmin, and then we also can see the motorcycle style, mile after mile. Oh, but it's a tricycle! The carriage cruiser. I am obviously going to be keeping this little book. More fashion packs. This one is for fun in the sun. And you can have some more of these fashion packs. Baby's Night Out. And what do they call? Sleep in Style. So this is the Sleep in Style. That's Baby's Sleep in Style. Sleepovers are all about catching beauty Z's, but who can sleep when you look this good? And that is the exact same illustration of Jade at the front. Yeah, and that is pretty much the box. So I feel like we should look at the other packaging because it looks pretty much exactly the same. So it's the exact same window, even has, ooh, they added a little so cute at the top there. And it says Bratz Babyz Princess with an illustration of, I would assume this is Hair Flare Baby Jade with the outfit. I don't have that one yet. So for the meantime, it's gonna be our OG Baby Jade. Before they were Bratz Babyz Princess, strutting high fashion style. Ooh, check out the Bratz Babyz memory book to see the coolest babies on the block. So I guess that's what this is. This is a memory book, and this one is quite more thicker compared to the first one. Oh, okay. So first of all, we get Megan, Fiona, because like they never really got commercials for the fashion packs. This one is Chillin' Out, Just Rock Out. Here is Punk Z Style, which is the one I have. So it's not quite Rock Angel, sorry. It's more like punk. And then the Rockin' Wagon. I remember I had one of the Itsy Bitsy Bratz playsets for that. A Mini Mart. Oh my god, I just realized how like impossible. Yeah, but that's what that looks like. And it's pretty much just like a whole catalog of different Bratz Babyz dolls and stuff. And then after that, it's like the usual stuff. Yeah, this was great because it was like, it was advertising at its best, I think. And like they didn't need technology because it wasn't that mainstream yet. So that is what the Bratz Babyz fashion packs look like. I'm so excited to put them on Baby Jade here. I'm gonna go ahead and open them up, and then we're gonna take a closer look at everything. Okay, so I just took the plastic casing off, so I thought it'd be easier to see the actual fashion packs. But aren't they so effing cute? And I'm so excited. Let me just like go ahead and open it, I guess. So here are all of the outfit pieces that we have. Okay, so let me just show y'all. This is what my Bratz Babyz Jade looks like in the punk outfit. Is that not so cute? Oh my god. And then here's her little icon pet cool cat. And then what I love about the blankets is that they're reversible, so they make sure that both sides are like done well, so you can use whichever side you want. And of course that is so cute and it just suits her so well. Okay, now so there's a lot that comes with them. Oh my god, like you guys don't even know how excited I am. I guess we can start with the sleepover one. This is the little outfit. So high quality. I love the little flames and the tiny little zipper detail. We have little pom-poms on the toes. So cute. And she also comes with this little blanket that is also reversible, so you can use either side. Love the matching like flame theme we're doing. Obviously my favorite part. And we have the little Bratz Babyz bag as well. Interesting how they were all connected to the cardboard with like thread instead of like plastic tabs. Like that's so quality of them. And the bags and all of this is like so high quality as well. It's like kind of sad that we're kind of losing on it now, but yeah, that's the little bag. You can see it's kind of like a little lunch kit. So cute. And like it's made out of different materials too. And the blanket is thick too. Like I'm really excited to try that one on. And here is the little princess dress. So it is reminiscent of Bratz Princess Jade's outfit. So we have the little camo top, the little tutu with the bow, and then she also has these little leg warmers too, which Bratz Princess Jade also has. Here are her little green shoes. They're the exact same mold as the red ones that she's wearing. Her punk outfit. These ones are a little sticky though, but I think it's because it's been 20 years. But I'm really excited to try those on. And she also comes with a tiny little purse, and it's camouflage, and it matches her. And you can open it. There's Velcro at the front, and also the actual top. And then, oh, it's full of little tissue paper. I'm so excited. I'm going to dress her up in her little princess outfit. Okay, hold on y'all. So this is what Babyz Jade looks like with the princess outfit on. Guys, this is so effing cute. Like it suits her so well, first of all. Guys, I really want a hair flare doll really bad. Like I want to style her so bad for like to really match this outfit. Like you guys know I love doing doll hair, so I just think that like I might get a hair flare doll. I don't know guys, I really want to. This is bad guys, this is bad, but this fit is so effing cute. And what's crazy is like how like current this type of outfit is. If you saw someone on the street wearing this outfit, you'd be like, you look amazing. Surprisingly, the little red hair thingies do suit her fit pretty well. Like I'm not mad about it. I don't know. I kind of want to get a hair flare doll now. I don't know what happened, guys. Like I'm really into Bratz right now, and like that includes all of them. Actually, not the Bratz kids. Every time I watch the commercials, I get the ick. So definitely not them, but Babyz, absolutely. But yeah, here's her with her little purse. Look how she goes. It was super easy to put everything on. The only thing is that the little socks needed a little bit of stretching. But yeah, she got on pretty well. And she has her little bottle, of course. Guys, what do you do after you're going out to town, you're all dressed up? What do you do when you get home? You get straight into your PJs. So I'm gonna put her in her PJs, and we're gonna take a closer look at that as well. So here is Baby Jade in her little sleep outfit. This outfit I'm gonna keep her in for a while, cause like it's nighttime and I want to show my boyfriend. So, but yeah, she looks so stinking cute in it. She looks exactly like the illustration. Guys, if I get a hair flare Jade doll, she might stay in the princess outfit. Oh god, this is so bad, but I want one so bad. But yeah, you could see she looks so cute. She is so my style, like my aesthetic, I'd say. Wait, can she sit in it? Oh, yeah, she can. Super easy to put it on too. Like the most issue I had was like putting through her gigantic like fingers through the sleeves, but it was super easy. I just like had to peel it through, you know? Also like adjusting so the pom-pom was at the top of the foot too. I think Cool Cat loves this outfit too, don't you, Cool Cat? Wait, do you think? Bitch, that is so cute. Okay, so I'm really happy about that. Thank y'all for watching this super quick video. I was just like really excited about this outfit. So, or these little fashion packs. So, I just felt like I really wanted to share it with you guys. Yeah, I'm really happy about them. Do you guys like them? Which fashion pack is your favorite? I think for me, as much as I love Bratz Princess, like the slumber party outfit is my favorite, I think this was a really good starter one though. Like, thank God the seller like had that available and was like willing to give it to me for like practically like free, pretty much, compared to like how much the original dolls are now. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. She came with everything too, so that's great. That is everything for this video. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys want to see next? Update me about your lives. I would love to hear about it. Send me pictures of your doll collections. Like, I'm down for it all. Let me know what you think about Babyz Jade, and what do you guys think about Bratz Babyz? Like, are they weird to you too? I obviously love them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up in the links in my description. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.